It's getting to be towards the end of the day and it's time for me to cook. And it's getting towards the end of the week and it's time for me to start thinking about making a video for you. I'm starting out this evening with a cucumber from our garden. Isn't that beautiful? And it's inspiring me to make a cucumber and onion salad with Italian dressing. That's what's going on right at the moment. In a minute, I'm going to tell you what the main course is going to be, and I'm kind of excited about it. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. First, I'm peeling this. Don't have to peel the cucumber perfectly. A little bit of dark green in there in the salad is pleasing. I have two nephews who went to chef school, and they're always complaining about their knives, or complaining about my knives or their dad's knives. I didn't go to Culinary Institute school. I can use any old knife. One more. No, missed it. There we go. Maybe a little, just a little salt and pepper. Well, maybe a lot of pepper. We like pepper. Put that in there. Mix it up. Okay, the main course. I was surfing today. No, not at the ocean. On the internet. And I ran into one of my favorite cooks, Cowboy Kent Rollins, and he was making something called poor man's lobster. So I thought I'd try it. Now, he used cod. He said a lot of people use halibut. What I happened to have in the freezer was some mahi-mahi. And I may be flying in the face of it being poor man's lobster using this mahi-mahi because it's a pretty penny around here. But that's what I got. That's what I'm going to try it with. Got to dry it real good, says Cowboy Kent. And then cut it into squares. Now, I'm going to cut this up. Another one of those terrible knives. But it's sharp. One-inch cubes, he says. These aren't 1 inch thick, but we're gonna make do with what I have. So basically we just want bites of poor man's lobster. There we go. This isn't complicated. The first step is boil water. I know how to do that. Yes, I do. Okay, I told you I know how to do that. I got a good hard boil going. Yes, I do. Next thing is a cup of sugar. Does that look like a cup? Pour that in there. And a half a lemon. Cut up a little bit. And we're going to bring that back to a hard boil. Get all that sugar dissolved. There we go, we're back to a hard boil. The main trick on getting water to boil is patience. So, Cowboy Kent Rollins says just drop your fish in there, one piece at a time, and never stir it. He was adamant about this. Do not stir it. And that fish, when it gets ready to be lobster, is going to float to the top. Ouch. So there we go. Don't stir. Don't stir. That was the direction. Got me a clean plate. Yes, I did. Some of it's starting to come up a little bit. The directions were, it's done when it floats to the top and doesn't go back down. Turn that fire down a little so that it's not a really hard boil. Smells kind of lemony, actually. Well, by gosh, it's working. There's the first few pieces that have come to the top and not gone back to the bottom. Cowboy Kent says you should count these so you know when you're done fishing. Ooh, there's some that are staying up there. Yeah, just take them off the top. They're not all coming up at the same time. There's another one that wants to be lobster. Don't stir. Ooh, I almost did. Let it cook. Some of them seem to be a little stubborn. They want to stay mahi-mahi. Ooh, there's another one. Decided to be a lobster. There's another one. Ooh, yeah, they're coming now. The purpose of the sugar and the lemon is to change the taste and the texture. It's supposed to have nice flaky white fish, which is why halibut would be good. But I saw a guy do this with an old drum he caught off of the dock in Florida. Usually he'd throw a drum back and wouldn't eat it, but I think it was a drum. I'm not sure. I might be wrong about that. Anyway, he said it was something that he would usually throw back, but he did this, and he was never throwing one back again. Two more. One more. Come on. Give me a big L. Oh, come on. Yep, there you go. You're a lobster. I got a stick of butter over here melting in the microwave in a mason jar. Melted butter. Isn't lobster just an excuse to eat the butter? Are you ready for dinner?
I'm ready. I'm more than ready.
And I told you what we're having, right?
Lobster.
I got some good news and some bad news.
Oh, what?
It's not really lobster.
It isn't?
It's called poor man's lobster. You remember when we were watching Cowboy Kent Rollins the other day?
Yeah.
On the YouTube?
Yeah.
Well, I ran into another video of his, and he was making poor man's lobster out there in the middle of nowhere in Texas. We don't have lobster in Texas, I guess. Not where he's at, anyway. Would you like some cucumber and onion salad?
Okay, that's enough.
No, let me give you a little more. It's going to be really good.
Well, it has to be cut.
I'm going to have a bunch of it. All right.
I love it.
I do. It's one of my favorite things, and the cucumbers out of our garden.
I'm impressed with that.
This is the melted butter.
Oh.
This is poor man's lobster. I made it with the mahi-mahi.
Oh.
Grab a piece with your fork. Dip it in the butter, of course, because that's what lobster's all about, right?
Absolutely.
Oh, I dropped mine. Okay. And let's just taste it together. Are you ready? So, we had lobster a few months ago in the RV, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
It's really good.
It is really good. It's not quite lobster.
No, but it's really tasty.
Yeah?
Of course,
You know, you get enough butter on it.
that's right. That's the key.
Yeah, here, have some more. I do have a good idea, though.
What?
Let's go up to the seafood market tomorrow and get some real lobster. What do you think? You got to stir this around to get the butter on it like that. You know, it's not my favorite way to cook mahi-mahi because I love it.
Mm-hmm.
But it's pretty darn good.
It is. It's very good.
Well, there you go. We made poor man's lobster. Yes, we did.
CNN said that it was supposed to be sunshiny today here in Guadalajara.
CNN doesn't live here. It's in Atlanta. Oh, you mean on that thing that shows the temperatures and whether it's going to be sunny or cloudy, huh? Yeah. Well, this isn't Guadalajara. This is Lake Chapala. Hey, I keep losing my fish in the butter. I have a new idea.
Oh, you already did that once.
Did you see me pouring it back into the jar?
Yeah.
Do you know why I was pouring it back into the jar?
No.
So that I could turn the camera back on and film it. And then, what did you say? You already did that once.
Oh,
We've been making videos for 10 years.
I didn't know you did that.
Duh! Take two. And now what do you got?
Dessert.
Red velvet cake from Marissa's in Ajijic. The best red velvet cake in the universe. And we've tried it all over the United States and never found anything that's even close to this. Frosting has this powdered red chocolate on it. That's a layer of frosting in the middle and a layer of pure chocolate in the middle, about 1/4 of an inch thick. And the cake itself, no comparison, ever. Huh. Well, sorry to bother you. I know, you're eating cake. The only thing that would be better is a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.